Here are some super cool nail art techniques. We're starting by using a sponge and putting 3 different colors of gel on it and tapping it onto your nail. We're then going to be putting it under UV light and using some black gel and a brush, we're going to draw on top of it. We are making this palm tree. And add your top coat on top of it. Put under UV light. And here's the result. Next, we're using our first coat, and it'll be in baby pink. Put under UV light and start drawing in black on top of it again. We're going to be using 3 different colors and fill up this butterfly wing. We're adding details with a brush, merging the colors together. Put it under UV light again and add your top coat. So gorgeous. Next, we're going to be using some white base coat. Put under UV light, and with a brush, we're going to be adding some pigment colors. We're adding some green, yellow, and red. And so with some black gel, we're going to outline your nail. We're using a thin brush for this. And add your top coat, UV light, and here's the result. Next, we're going to be using your base coat again. We're using a baby pink. And then we're going to add some lines in purple. Put it under UV light after every layers. Adding some blue as well. Some green. Making lines in all different colors, yellow, and some orange. Add your top coat, and here's the result. Next, we're going to be using a dotting tool and some really pretty gold glittery gel. We used a white base coat, adding the dots, and use a top coat and put under UV light. Simple but so pretty. Which one's your favorite?